Pelakon Azrin Loy berkongsi rasa teruja apabila berpeluang untuk bertentang mata dengan bintang Hollywood terkenal Tom Cruise pada acara tayangan perdana filem Mission Impossible The Final Reckoning di Tokyo, Jepun, baru-baru ini. Azrin Loy menerusi video yang dimuat naik di Instagram, turut memaparkan gelagat Azrin yang menitipkan ucapan terima kasih di atas sumbangan aktor Hollywood tersebut di dalam industri perfilman dunia. I made the blueprint, setiap framenya, setiap pilihan menggegarkan dunia. Beritahu saya, bagaimana saya tidak rasa teruja. Terima kasih Tom untuk segala-galanya. Kongsi Azrin. Perkongsian Azrin dibanjiri komen oleh rakan selebriti serta peminat yang meluahkan rasa cemburu melihat pertemuan istimewa ini. Malah ada yang sempat berseloroh meminta pelakon ini untuk tidak mencuci tangannya selepas bersalaman dengan bintang Hollywood tersebut.
Make sure they got an umbrella here to them.
Hi Tom, how are you? Nice to meet you. I've been a big fan of you. We couldn't sleep at night because we want to meet you today. That's how special you are. I really admire you, to be honest, from Top Gun, Mission Impossible. Thank you so much for everything that you have done towards the industry, to the world-class presentation by you and the team, the rest of your friends and the line of producer. I know that you are a huge fan of movie making industry. Thank you for that. I'm a childhood actor from Malaysia. I adore you a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
It really means a lot to me.
I mean, you're really special, Tom. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Love it. Please, let's get a photo. 3, 2, 1.
I got one more request.
Sure. Just make sure there's an umbrella for people coming in and out that they have to open. Yes.
I know that you are a huge fan of golf. Do you mind? I'm
Not at
a
all, man.
brand ambassador for TeleMade
Oh,
from
good.
USA as well.
Excellent. Yeah, I love golf. I love all
I know that you drove
sports.
Red Bull before, that's why I picked the favorite one. Thank you, Tom. Such a sweet guy. I wish you and your family the best.
Yes,
Thank
you
you.
too.
Thank you.
And wish you a very happy and successful life.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tom.
All right.
Thank you.
Well.
Terima kasih kerana menonton. Kalau anda suka video ini, jangan lupa untuk like, share dan subscribe. Kita jumpa lagi dalam video akan datang.